David earned some pocket money by working during a school holiday. He worked 8 days in a department store, which paid him $18 a day, and 7 days in a fast food center, which paid him $15 a day. He bought a present, which cost him $54 for his mother, very nice fella, and spent a 3-day vacation in Malaysia with the rest of his money. Well, well. Remember, this is set in Singapore, so Singapore is just, it's like flying from here to Indiana or Ohio or something like that. So with the rest of his money, what was his average expenditure per day in Malaysia? So we want to know how much he spent per day on vacation. What kind of crazy question is that? I read that question. How much did he spend on average per day? And how long was he in Malaysia? So he was 3. So I got to know how much he spent each day on Malaysia. It doesn't say how much what he bought or anything. But how am I going to figure out this problem? In order to do this problem, one, I need to know, hope you're writing this down, how much money he earned. That's the first thing I need to know. And I guess I'm assuming that whatever money he has left over, he's just spending all his money on vacation. I guess that's why he got all those jobs, just to spend all that money. I suggest saving that money, some of it, you know. But he spent it all. So first step, I need to know how much money he spent, or he earned, sorry. What else do I need to know? We'll just say this. We'll need to know how much money he spent before vacation. So I need to know how much money he earned. I need to know how much money he spent before vacation. And then how do I figure out how much how much he spent per day? All right, so whatever money he has left, we just divide money and days he was in Malaysia. Is there a Y in that one? Yeah. No? And yeah, thought so. I need to know how much money he earned. Does it say anything about earning money in this problem? No. Oh, he had a couple jobs, so we need to know. So what were his jobs? Yeah. All right. Now, so he worked 2 jobs, department store and fast food. Do they tell you anything about how much money he made at the department store?
Yes. For 1 day.
Okay. $18 a day. So you earned $18 a day.
For 7 days.
Ah.
For 8 days. Oh, yeah, 8 days.
For 8 days. All right. And I kind of wrote down, I actually exactly wrote down, how do I solve this problem? How much money do you make total? Yes. 18 times 8. Yeah, 18 times 8. That's 80 plus 64. It's $144. So he earned $144 in the department store. Wow, that's a good amount of money. How about the fast food place? How much money did he make there? Yes, ma'am. At a rate of $15 a day. How many days did he work a half a day, quarter of a day?
7 days.
Ah, it says he worked 7 days there. So I just do exactly what I did up there. If he makes $15 for 1 day, he'll make $30 for 2 days, $45 for 3 days, or just multiply 15 times 7. That's 70 plus 35. So he made $105. Ooh, nice. So how much money does he have to spend? Oh, how'd you get that?
I add them.
Oh, add them together. So that becomes a 2, a 4, a 9. So he has $249. Now, it says that he spent something before going on vacation. What did he spend his money on? Yes. A present for who? Oh, that's nice. So he got her a present. How much did he spend on this present? $54. So he spent $54. Well, that means how much money does he have now? So I'll write here, how much money does he have now? How would I figure that out? Yes. Subtract. Oh, okay. 249 minus 54. What's 24 minus 5? 19?
Yeah, 195.
So now he has $195 left. Now the question is this. How much money did he spend per day in Malaysia? Well, as was told, we divide our money and the days. How many days was he in Malaysia?
3.
So 3 days. 3 days.
Does that say how much money do we have now?
How much money does? Can't you read that? Does. Man. Let's divide. Oh, we don't point to the divide. How much money does he have again? Oh, he has $195. Oh, good. So now I just divide. 195 divided by 3. How many times does 3 go into 19?
6 times.
6 times. How much is left over?
5.
1 is left over. Now I have a 15 here. How many times does 3 go into 15?
5.
5 times with nothing left over. So he spent $65 per day while he was in Malaysia. I'm assuming someone took care of his trip.